Are you gonna get them? Go try. I'm not gonna get them for you. Are you gonna get them? Go try. Go try. I'm not gonna get them. You got one, didn't you? Try again. You got one. I see it. You bit off it, didn't you?
Is it a strawberry one?
No, it's a plain one, no frosting. Are you gonna try to get it again? You like cupcakes? Oh yes, she enjoys cupcakes. Jump, baby, jump. Get the cupcake. Not the chocolate one. Cindy, move that chocolate one. Okay, go for it. Why don't you get that one shirty bit off and give her a piece?
What one did you bit off?
The one that's leaning there with all the teeth marks in it. Give her a little bite of it. And then throw it away. Is that what you've been doing in here? Naughty dog. We knew one of these days you'd make